Students, today is our chapter reproduction, lesson number 2. I am Ms. Fatma. Lesson number 14.2.1 exemplify the different types of asexual reproduction. Example: binary fission, budding, spore formation, and vegetative propagation. In this slide, flow chart is given, and flow chart shows that different types of vegetative reproduction may. The last one, vegetative reproduction, means the reproduction by means of vegetative parts. It occurs in two ways, naturally and artificially. First of all, binary fission. Binary fission present a parent cell, as the name indicates, bi means two. Parent cell divide and form two daughter cells, or each cell or daughter cell has these characters like they have same size, shape and DNA. Example: unicellular organisms, paramecium है, amoeba, bacteria. Budding, asexual reproduction in which a new organism form on the parent organism. What will happen? The new organism, like a bud, form on the body of the parents, and this bud mitotically divide and grow and finally eventually separate from the parents. Example: hydra, example: yeast. Look at this slide in which hydra is shown. What will happen? First of all, a tiny bump, a bud appear. Then this bud mitotically divide, grow, and finally detach from the parent body. Now number 4 is spore formation or sporulation. A spore contain haploid number of cells. First of all, तो ये समझना याद करना ज़रूरी. All the spores grow in the thick case sporangium. On maturation, what will happen? Sporangium burst, spores release, and these spores become new organisms. Common examples: fungi, and simple plants with mosses and ferns. Spore formation mein what will happen? Bacteria, another example is bacteria also. What will happen? Bacteria produce a thick protective wall which we call cyst. It is protecting layer, protection against heat, drought, presence of poison. They are now known as spores. When the wall break under favorable condition, the bacteria will release and grow. Come to the vegetative propagation. As I have said to you, vegetative propagation means vegetative parts, matlab stem, root, leaves, give rise to the plant. It is called vegetative reproduction. There are main two types of vegetative: natural and artificial. Natural के भी कई तरीके हैं, artificial के भी. Come to the natural. First of all, bulb. A bulb contains underground stem, which is reduced in size. Leaves are swollen with store food. Bulb में store food है. Onion की example आपको याद रखनी है. Why I am focusing on this bulb? Because it is including in your practical exam also. The main bud, apical bud है, grow into new shoot. Or side buds, which we call lateral buds, will also grow into new shoots. The second example, corn, chestnut and cocoyam है इसकी. Thick, short underground stem, swollen हो जाता है with food reserves. Protect by the dry scale leaves. इसकी चारों तरफ dry और scaly leaves हैं. Fleshy leaves onion में थे, इसमें dry scaly leaves हैं. Next is tuber. Example is potato. Underground stem which contain food, and from which part it has eyes, and from the eyes of potato new plant will develop. Next, rhizome, ginger example, long modified stem that grow horizontally under the ground. New plant grow off the root. लॉन्ग ग्रासेस, फॉर्न, ये सब इसकी एग्जाम्पल है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज सकर्स. सकर्स क्या है? अ शूट अराइजिंग आइदर फ्रॉम द अंडरग्राउंड पोर्शन ऑफ द स्टेम, और जब बढ़ जाती है तो एडवेंटिशियस बर्ड्स ऑन दीज रूट्स विल डेवलप. नेक्स्ट इज artificial vegetative production, propagation. 4 तरीके हैं. In our next lesson, I will explain in detail artificial vegetative propagation, but listen carefully in this slide. Okay, what will happen in these 4 types? First of all, cutting. A part of a stem is cut, simply cut, and grow into new plant when it placed in moist soil. स्टेम का पार्ट कट किया, moist और favorable conditions को provide की, it will grow. Conditions are necessary. Second is grafting. What will happen in the grafting? The stem of one plant is cut and then fitted into another plant. दूसरे स्टेम के में उसको प्लेस किया जाता है and then covered. This is called, और जहाँ कवर करते हैं we have to fix, और उस पर हम प्रिकॉशंस करते हैं, उसको हवा और नमी से बचाते हैं ताकि कोई बैक्टीरिया ग्रो ना हो. एग्जाम्पल ऑरेंज, वाटरमेलन. नाउ लेयरिंग. लेयरिंग में व्हाट विल हैपन, द स्टेम ऑफ अ प्लांट इज बेंट. जब वो बेंट होता है until it touches the soil, रूट्स उसमें से डेवलप होती हैं and then it will grow into the new plant. Example is lemon or rose. Tissue culture, a collection of techniques. ऐसे बड़ी techniques यूज़ होती हैं to maintain or grow plant cells. Tissue और organs को लिया जाता है and then under sterile condition with the presence of nutrients, culture medium. In this type, tissue or organ will grow into the new plant. This is superficial introduction of artificial vegetative propagation. Look at this last slide. Natural की cutting और layering show की गई है. Cutting और grafting है actually. This is all about this lesson. Again, I request you students कि vegetative propagation is given in your textbook. Kindly read it from the textbook, and in my next lesson I will explain artificial vegetative propagation in detail. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.